Hey everyone! Imagine you're cruising down the road and suddenly, your transmission starts acting weird. Maybe it hesitates when shifting or even goes into limp mode. You grab your OBD-II scanner and boom! You see code P0934 on the screen. This code is related to the hydraulic pressure sensor circuit low, which means your transmission might not be getting the right pressure readings. In this video, I'll explain what this code means, where the sensor is located, and how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. DTC P0934 stands for hydraulic pressure sensor circuit low. This means the sensor is sending a low voltage signal, indicating that the transmission fluid pressure is lower than expected. This sensor is crucial for smooth gear shifting, and when it fails, your car might experience hard shifts, slipping gears, or even fail to shift altogether. If your car has this code, you may notice delayed or rough gear shifts, transmission slipping or jerking, loss of power while driving, check engine light or transmission warning light, vehicle stuck in limp mode. To properly diagnose and fix P0934, here are the key locations you need to check. Hydraulic pressure sensor, location, mounted on the transmission housing near the valve body or transmission fluid lines. Function, measures transmission fluid pressure and sends signals to the TCM. Transmission control module, location, found under the dashboard, inside the fuse box or near the engine bay. Function, controls shifting and pressure regulation. Transmission fluid pressure switch, location, located inside the transmission valve body, next to the solenoid pack. Function, detects changes in pressure and signals the TCM. Wiring and connectors, location, runs between the HPS sensor, TCM, and transmission valve body. Function, transfers voltage signals for proper pressure readings. Tip, if your transmission is acting up, always check the HPS sensor and wiring before assuming a bigger transmission problem. Here are the most common reasons for this code. Faulty hydraulic pressure sensor, sends incorrect low pressure readings. Low transmission fluid pressure, due to fluid leaks, low fluid level, or a bad pump. Wiring or connector issues, corrosion, broken wires, or poor connections. Faulty transmission control module, misinterprets sensor data and affects shifting. Clogged transmission valve body prevents proper fluid pressure regulation. Follow these steps to diagnose and fix the issue. Step 1. Check the hydraulic pressure sensor. Use a multimeter to test voltage readings. If voltage is too low, replace the sensor. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or disconnected wires between the HPS sensor and TCM. Step 3. Check transmission fluid and pressure. If fluid is dirty, low, or leaking, refill with the correct type. Test for low pressure using a pressure gauge. Step 4. Scan the TCM for additional codes. If other codes appear, the TCM may need reprogramming or replacement. Step 5. Inspect the transmission valve body. Clean or replace the valve body if shifting issues persist. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the code using an OBD-II scanner and check if the issue is resolved. If your transmission is shifting rough, slipping, or stuck in limp mode, don't ignore P0934. Check the hydraulic pressure sensor, transmission fluid, and wiring to get your car back to smooth operation. For more troubleshooting and fixes, check out these videos. P0734, Gear 4, incorrect ratio, P0735, Gear 5, incorrect ratio. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.